It's got a Delkevic exhaust on it, so it sounds beautiful. Nice.
The outcome of this race was a little unexpected. The Harley CVO Softail Convertible was kitted with the 110 cubic inch twin cam, which was one of the hottest twin cams that Harley offered for the time. The drawback to the CVO in this race is its bags and its windshield, contributing to its 750-pound weight. The Kawasaki Vulcan S650 has a much smaller engine. It makes at least 25 horsepower less than the CVO Softail Convertible, but the motorcycle itself only weighs around 500 pounds, which actually gives it a higher power to weight ratio than the CVO.
Rolling overhead.
The Kawasaki Vulcan S650 was slightly quicker in this race, but I will say I had a really good launch on the Vulcan S, and at the same time I had a really poor launch on the CVO. If you take the windshield and the bags off of the CVO, there's no doubt in my mind it would have a slightly quicker 0 to 60 than the Vulcan S. On top of that, the CVO actually has the higher top speed compared to the Vulcan S. I've gotten the Vulcan S up just under 120 miles an hour, whereas the CVO can easily do 125 miles an hour plus.
Rolling overhead.